Welcome guys to another video. So yeah, today I'll be doing some steamed fish and crackers. I'll show you all my ingredients that I'm gonna use for my steamed fish. So if you can, I hope you can see what's going on, you know. Yeah, so yeah, I've got my pumpkin over here already peeled and diced up, as you can see. Yeah, in this one I've got one large onion chopped up, and I've got my thyme, one green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and I've got one carrot as well, diced up, and I've got this green pepper here as well. Yeah man, just for flavor. Over here I've got some okra, spring onion, and I've got my seasoning in here, like two tablespoons jerk season, 2 tablespoons all-purpose, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. So we're gonna mix it all together and get the season on our fish. Yeah, when we finish doing that, I'm gonna let it sit for a bit, and then I'm gonna get the stove light up and get the pot on the stove, yeah, to get hot. So in the meantime, stay tuned and watch the process. So I'm just gonna mix all the seasoning together. Let's mix up everything together and get it on our fish. So yeah guys, if it's your first time to the channel, welcome. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed as yet, please go ahead and do so. Yep. Yeah man, touch up the subscription button. So yeah, so I'm getting some seasoning on the fish. So okay guys, I'm gonna leave this for a bit, and now I'm gonna get the stove on. I'm gonna turn the stove on and then get the pot on the stove. So stay tuned, soon come back. So yeah guys, I'm gonna get my natural vegetables in the pot right about now. So yeah, let me show you what's going on. Then the next time you see me guys, I'll be putting the fish in the pot, so stay tuned, soon come back. Let me show you what's going on in my pot. Now, yeah, so that's what's going on. This is what's going on. Yeah. So if you can see what's going on, yeah. Alright, my vegetables are cooked. Yeah, pumpkin and stuff, carrot, yeah, everything. Yeah man, everything are cooked. So now guys, I'm gonna get a noodle soup mix in it. Grace noodle soup mix, them call it cocked soup. Yeah man, that's what them call it. Yeah, so I'm gonna get my cock soup in. Cock soup mix. Right. Now get some chopped garlic, 3 cloves of garlic rice chopped, so get it in there as well. store. So now I'm gonna make some pimento as well, guys. Yeah, make some pimento in there as well. Okay, so that's pimento. So I'm gonna get some butter in as well. Get the butter in there. Get the butter in there. Waya! Waya! Now I'm gonna get my green pepper in there. Just for flavor, guys. You know, green pepper. You know, green pepper don't carry heat. So I'm gonna have to put some scotch on it in there to get some heat. Yeah, I mean? Yeah, man. Green pepper is just for flavor. Yeah, man. I mean, I tell you, there's a lot of flavor in the pot. Wicked. It's a lot going on in that pot. Yeah. So I'm gonna get my spring onion in there. I'm not putting the okra until my fish almost thin, because I don't want my okra to like cook right out. Then man, I want okra in my thing, so I eat okra. I don't want to make porridge, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, that is it. Yeah, man. That is the style, you know? Steamed fish and crackers. Yeah, that is the style. Yeah, man. Around here, in my kitchen with that. You know what I mean? So, stay tuned, guys, and watch it process. So, yeah, right about now, I'm just gonna start put my fish in, get them in the pot. Yeah, man. So now like I should have used a bigger pot. Anyways, you stay there. So yeah, I get to cover up, guys. So yeah, guys, stay tuned until when it's time to get the crackers and okra in. I'll show you what's going on. You guys, check in. Now I'm going to give you a close-up on what's going on in the pot. So let me show you, guys, what's going on in the pot. Just, yeah, man. Just a close-up of what's going on in that the pot, you know what I mean? So yeah, guys, I put the crackers in off camera and the okra. So now, as you can see, my steamed fish is ready. So now I'm gonna plate up some and make you know what I'm going. So stay tuned. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, check in. So yeah, guys, this is the finished product of my steamed fish and okra, Daddy D style. Yeah, yeah, man. So now I'm gonna dig into it and you know what's going on. Yeah. Come on, where you going? Yeah, man. Yeah, guys. Well, yo. Guys, the flavor wicked. You get a little burn on the back of your throat. But it's not anything to make you run up and down. You know what I mean? Cry for your mother. Or, you know what I mean? It's not nothing like that. There's a little sting from the scotch on it. Yeah, man. Wow. Yeah, guys. I remember. Yeah, it's Daddy D style, yeah? Yeah, man. Daddy D production. Wow. Guys, it's no word of a lie, I'm telling you. The flavor is wicked. Man. It's a good thing. When I was smaller, you know, I take note of what my mom used. What my mom's, you know, been doing in the kitchen. Or my mom season up our stuff and, you know what I mean, put it together. Yeah, man. Well, yay. Let me try one more of the crackers going. Perfect. Crackers not too saggy. You don't want them too saggy. You know what I mean? Guys, come on, the real thing this. Yeah? The real thing. This. Let me show you a close up. Come on. The real thing this, guys. Daddy D production. Look at that one. Wow, wow. So you guys, we have made it to the end of another video. So what you do for me to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So yeah, man, have a blessed one. Catch you in the next one, guys. I'm out.